How to remove hard water spots that don't go away with a wash or even clay. I'm gonna show you the fastest and effective way to do it. In this occasion, we're gonna do it on glass, but it will work on glass, paint, and chrome in the exact same way. We're gonna start by spraying the product in a microfiber, waffle, or terry towel. Followed by wipe down the affected area with medium pressure for around 15 to 30 seconds. In this occasion, we're gonna do just half of the glass for showing purposes. And remember, just make sure to do it in the shade. In a warm to cold surface, avoid at all costs doing it in direct sunlight and small sections at a time. Don't try to do the whole panel at once. After finishing, rinse with plenty of water. You don't need a pressure washer. You can do it with just a spray bottle. And that's it. We're done. You're welcome. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks of auto detailing.